Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to change your cabin air filter of your Lexus IS250. Mine is Lexus IS250 2008 year, but this method is applicable for 2006 up to 2013 Lexus IS250 or 350. So just open your glove box, and inside your glove box, make sure it's empty. And you can see a table, a separating rack. So there are two clips down there. So you have to slide this way to take out of the housing. Okay, let me hold it this way. Okay, so as you can see, there are two. See, right? There are two clip housing. One is here, and there is inside. So basically, your table goes into these two slots. Just take it out, place it somewhere safely, and then you will have the access of your cabin filter slot. So there are basically two slots you might be seeing. One is there and this there. So this one is your cabin air filter. Just push it a little bit up, and then you'll be able to take out the vent. Okay. Oh man, this needs some cleaning, I guess. Anyway, okay, so this white thing is your cabin air filter housing. So in order to open it, you can just turn on your car and set it into inside circulation mode, and then the vent will auto open. Let me show it to you. Just let me put it somewhere else. Oh god. Just turn on accessories mode. The vent is still closed. You have to turn on the AC, then enable the recirculating mode. Turn on the AC button and then just enable the recirculating. You see, now the vent has opened. And if I close it, you can see it just opens up and closes depending on your AC switching. See, now I'm again enable the recirculating mode, and then it will auto open. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just remove the clips, 3 clips here. have to use two hands. Okay, now we can take it out. Oh god, this is so cross. Oh my god. So I'm gonna just install a new air cabin filter and then it'll be good to go. Okay guys, so this one is a new cabin air filter that I bought from Amazon. It's around 13 bucks. Let me open it for you. So it's wrapped in plastic bag. It's nicely packed. And so there is an arrow marked on the cabin air filter. You can see the direction of the airflow, this tiny arrow. So basically you have to match this direction whenever you are going to install it. You need to understand how you are going to put it. So basically your air is coming from this side. It's entering to the blower system to this side and exiting on the other side, this side. So the direction of the airflow says the air is coming to this direction because the arrow originates from this side and pointing toward this side. So this is your exit side. This is your exit side and this is your entry side. So this is how you have to match the direction of the airflow. So let me tear open the package and install it, then you will see how it is installed. Alright guys, so let me explain it in detail. So you might see this kind of arrow on the filter case. It says that up. It simply indicates the top and bottom direction of the filter. It doesn't indicate any airflow. If you open the old filter from its case, you might also notice some kind of marking. For example, here it also has an airflow direction. So this arrow is pointing down. So that means the air is coming from this direction, from the dirty side, and exiting from the cleaner side. So that means the filter should be installed in this fashion. So the arrow should be pointing down. So don't mix up this up symbol, this arrow, with airflow direction. They're two different things. So up is just a physical orientation of the filter's top and bottom side, and airflow direction is basically more important, and you should be considering this direction first. So whenever you are installing a new cabin air filter, make sure the airflow direction is pointing down, just to make it comply with the airflow direction of the system. So let me open it from the case totally. So you might see it's very dirty. Oh gosh, this is extremely dirty. Absolutely dirty. Okay, so now let's install the new filter. Just make sure that you don't have any debris. It's better to clean it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this case a little bit with some soapy water, and it might remove some debris. Alright guys, time to install the new air filter. This one is the new air filter, and the direction of the airflow is pointing up. So I should keep it down because this is how it works. The air comes from the top and it exits from the bottom. That's why you need to install it in this way. So just put it down. Make sure you attach them. You adjust the cabin air filter inside these clips. Push it down this way, and then from this side okay. Alright, so these air filters are infused with carbon particles. So These are good in order to reduce the smell of the gas and other stuff, in addition to the dust particles. So time to reinstall it. Just put it inside like before. And make sure you hear the click sound of the clips like this. Okay, now it is reattached properly. All right. Now you can readjust the setting in order to close the vent. Let me do that. Okay, now the vent is closed. And then you need to reinstall this access door. Make sure the access door is properly installed back, and then this table needs to be reattached again. Okay, so the table is properly installed. All right. So that's it, guys. This is just a 15 minutes job, and it's good to change your cabin air filter in every 6 months or so. If you live in a dusty area, make sure to change it like in every 3 months or so. So this will ensure your healthy airflow inside the cabin of the car. You might feel less dizzy due to the exhaust gas that sometimes leaks to the cabin. So thank you, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, and see you in the next video.